like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's video is just a little Ulta haul, so I can show you some of the stuff that I picked up, but also get a little idea of what you guys would like to see content on. There is one thing that I didn't purchase, it was sent to me, but it's available at Ulta. It's affordable. And again, just want to see if you guys want to see a video on it, so let's go. Okay, first up, I did talk about these foundations recently in those like let's talk about new makeup videos, and I'm looking at them. Y'all know I have gone back to foundation hunt, and there will be a foundation hunt Friday this Friday. The first one is the NYX Make 'em Wonder Soft Matte Buildable Foundation. Y'all know I love a good NYX foundation. They have had quite a few, Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Born to Glow, that have gotten me through it. There is one that I tried recently. That's a good one too. It comes in I think a squeeze tube type packaging. Very cute packaging. I think this comes in 44 shades. I picked it up in 38 Deep Truffle, which I don't know. It's giving winter shade. I don't know about summer, but I am definitely going to check it out. I'm definitely going to do a foundation hunt. I would say let me know if you want that to be like this Fridays. However, when I show you the next one, I think you'll understand why I don't really have like an option for it not to be this next one that I post, because the next foundation I picked up is the new Maybelline Lifter Plump and Glow foundation. This is the foundation. I am actually excited to try this. I do think Drugstore is okay, it's doing its thing when it's coming to some of the new, the one thing I forgot to mention about NYX, they also have a new powder. It kind of almost has the same packaging, but I think the cap of that is red. I'm looking at my order like, where's my powder? Ulta. But it's giving I'm gonna have to make a trip there anyway, because this is the shade that I picked up in this Maybelline. This is 373. So it's giving summer, maybe shade. I don't know. I'm debating if I want to open it and swatch, or if I just want to go to the store and like swatch a test or something like that, because I really don't like returning makeup that I've already opened, even if it was just a swatch or something like that, because I feel like they don't like, they'll damage that stuff out, and a product is wasted because I only used a drop out of it. So I really don't want to have to open it, but I don't know about this one. But there will be a foundation hunt on this. Do y'all know the Lancome foundation was reformulated? I did not. Someone in my comments actually said, can you test that out because it's been reformulated? And I'm like, oh, I thought they just added like more shades to it. I didn't know they reformulated it, which is like, why? It was a like cult fave, a lot of people's holy grail foundation, and it's always like, why y'all gotta touch stuff that no one complained about? Who told you to do that? But also, this could be this Friday's foundation hunt, so let me know in the comments down below. And the products that were sent to me, but they're available at Ulta, and I'm kind of getting y'all's idea on how y'all feel about it if you want to see a full video, because they kind of sound like a lot of products for one drop. Is from Essence. So they have a new collection. So this is the Jelly Grip Hydrating Primer. It's a makeup gripping and refreshing primer. And then this is the Essence Bouncy Plump Smoothing Primer. It's a hydrating and plumping primer. So these are two primers. It's kind of giving Milk Makeup from packaging, stuff like that. I'm excited that there's like two of them, one for smoothing, one for hydrating, and they're both like, well, no, they're not both gripping primers. One is a gripping primer. But I'm still excited about the hydrating and plumping primer. The collection also has a Jelly Grip Under Eye Primer Stick. I haven't tried too many like concealer primers. So kind of, you know, he's getting a little older, so them under eyes are gonna start needing a little bit more care than the rest of my face when it comes to makeup. It's funny because when I was like, I don't know, early 20, mid 20, somewhere around there, I remember seeing people who were my age at the time, and they were like, yeah, like once you hit 22, 23, you can't keep doing your makeup how girls that are 21 do it because of your under eye, stuff like that. I mean, and it's funny because now I see the women who were in their like late 20s when I was watching them, who are now in their mid 30s, late 30s, and like they're still doing their makeup or their concealer, their under eye, how they were doing it, and like they still look good. So as I start getting closer to reaching there, I don't know how that's gonna go, but it's gonna need a little bit more TLC. So I'm excited to try this out. And I don't know where the other one is, but the collection also includes 2 setting sprays. So one pink, one greenish blue to match the primers. This is the Bouncy Plump Hydrating Dewy Spray. And then the other one is a smoothing spray. It matches the other color. So there's 2 of them as well. So I kind of want to do a video like trying all of it together. Y'all know Essence is kind of a brand that's slept on. I tried their foundation stick last year. That was a very good matte foundation stick, soft matte, somewhere around there. Foundation stick for the oily skin girlies, and it's affordable. It's only $7. Like, the brand makes good products and they're affordable products as well. So let me know if you would like a full video on that collection. But yeah, like I said, very quick, simple video. Just want to show you guys some of the stuff that I picked up at Ulta and kind of get your idea on those videos, like the order you would like to see them. When I do go get that fixed out with NYX, do you want to see the NYX foundation and the powder at the same time? Because like some people don't like when you try multiple new products at the same time, because if you say, oh, I don't like the foundation, they'll be like, oh, maybe you would have liked it if you used a powder that you were used to. But then when you use products that you're used to, they're like, oh, well, did the product actually, you know, was it actually a good product for its first impression, or did you just use products that you know work well and those products made it work well? It's like you can never win. But let me know if you would like to see them at the same time. And ow, just hit my own hand with that. And some of the orders that you would like to see them in. Thank you. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Those are some new things that you can pick up at Ulta Beauty. Like I said, in the comments down below, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. I really hurt my finger on that one, y'all. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.